Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the blur option in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to go to the Adobe Lightroom. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see, the Adobe Lightroom is open. Now what we have to do, we have to choose the image, that which type of image you want to use. For example, I'm gonna choose that image. So let's choose it. For example, let's see, we are going to use this one. This is the video, so we have to choose the image. I'm going to bake this, and now let's choose the image. For example, I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the image is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the edit section, and after clicking on the edit section, we have to go to the blur section. As you can see, after clicking on the blur section, this is the premium one, and it will show you that how you can blur an image. As you can see, the lens blur is provided here, remove just about anything. They have provided all the options, masking and the video editing. You can use these all options, but for that we have to buy the premium one. As you can see, in the per year we have to pay this. It's up to your country, and it will show you the in your country wise, as you can see. And we have to click on the subscribe now, and we need to provide the payment details, and we will get the premium one, and then we can use these all options. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the blur option and how you can get the premium of your Adobe Lightroom. So see you guys in the next video.